Now we have started with the chapter biomolecules, in which we have done various methods by which we can estimate about or know about the various elements present in the cell, like by chemical analysis, analytical method and elemental analysis. Now what is a cell actually made up of? A cell is made up of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids, plus there are present various minerals and water in it. We will discuss all these components one by one. First of all, we will begin with proteins. Proteins are the constituents of cell which make 90% of dry weight of the cell. Proteins are made up of amino acids, or we can say amino acids. They are the building blocks of the proteins. There are 20 amino acids, and different amino acids, they have a common basic structure in which the central carbon atom has 4 components attached to it. First is the carboxyl group. Another group attached to it is the amino group. Third is the hydrogen, and fourth is the side chain. Yani the basic structure of any amino acid consists of a carbon atom which is bounded on 3 sides by a hydrogen, a carboxyl group, a amino group, and one is the side chain which we have represented by R. These 3 are essential. They must be present. They will be present in any amino acids. The different amino acids, they are different because they have different side chains. यानी ये तो तीनों सब में present होंगे. वो different कैसे होंगे? उनमें ये जो चौथा component है, that is the side chain, they will be different. The simplest amino acid, the structure of simplest amino acid is HCOOH NH2, and it is when H is the side chain consists of hydrogen atom only. This is the simplest amino acid, that is glycine. 20 amino acids का आपको मैं स्ट्रक्चर अभी दिखा रही हूँ. आपने सारे लर्न नहीं करने, लेकिन you must have an idea what are different amino acids, what are their names, what are different types of side chains present in them. Now these 20 amino acids, they are divided into 7 categories depending upon the different side chains. The first category is when the amino acids with aliphatic chains. Amino acid जिनमें side chain जो है that consists of aliphatic chain. For example, there are 5: glycine, alanine, valine, leucine and isoleucine. So glycine is abbreviated as GLY, and further it is abbreviated as capital G. Alanine as ALA and capital A. Valine is abbreviated as VAL, V. Leucine as LEUL, isoleucine as ILE, and it is also called I. आप देख सकते हैं glycine, ये जो था, this is the basic structure which is common, that is COOH, H and NH2. तो side chain में क्या आया? सिर्फ H. तो यहाँ पे देखें नेक्स्ट वाले में what is different. If side chain has CH3, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? alanine. This is common. And side chain has CH, CH3, CH3, this becomes valine. Here the यहाँ पे जो है वही common है, it is HCOOH NH2 and side chain. This is the side chain CH2, CH, CH3, CH. This is leucine. Or similarly, we have this isoleucine with this remains the common feature among all amino acids, and this is isoleucine. The second category of amino acids is साइड चेन, जिसमें क्या प्रेजेंट है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप कैसे, देर आर 2 अमाइनो एसिड्स इन दिस कैटेगरी, सीराइन SER(S)309, that is THR. तो साइड चेन कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली this is CH2 and OH. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे जो साइड चेन है that is CHOH and CH3. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये कॉमन है. नाउ थर्ड कैटेगरी, अमाइनो एसिड्स विद सल्फेटेड ग्रुप्स, दे आर सिस्टीन एंड मिथायोनीन. सिस्टीन हैज सल्फेटेड ग्रुप, ये बेसिक था. नाउ दिस इज द साइड चेन, दैट इज SH and CH2. Here we have this side chain, that is CH2, CH2 and S and CH3. The fourth category is acidic groups and their amides. यहाँ पे हमने खाली साइड चेन ही बनाई है, इधर जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर था वो नहीं बनाया, ओनली साइड चेन. साइड चेन अमाइनो एसिड इज एस्पेरेटिक एसिड, जिसमें क्या है CH2COOH एंड द ग्लूटामिक एसिड CH2CH2COH. ये साइड चेन है खाली. These are the 2 acidic groups. ये अमाइनो एसिड्स हैं और देयर अमाइड्स, ये दोनों देखो, इसमें COOH में CO और इस OH को रिप्लेस करके क्या आ गया, दैट इज NH2. तो ये क्या हो गया, इसका अमाइड. एनी कार्बन कंपाउंड हैविंग मोर देन 1 अमाइनो ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड अमाइड. जैसे ग्लूटामिक एसिड में क्या था, CH2 CH2 COH. तो ग्लूटामीन में क्या है, CH2 CH2 CO और इस OH को रिप्लेस करके क्या आ गया, दैट इज NH2. नाउ फिफ्थ कैटेगरी ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड्स विद साइड चेन्स हैविंग बेसिक ग्रुप्स. तो इसमें क्या है, अर्जिनिन, लाइसिन, हाइड्रोक्सीलाइसिन HYL एंड हिस्टिडीन HIS एंड H. अर्जिनिन, इसमें हमारे पास क्या है, साइड चेन इज CH2 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 NH C डबल बॉन्ड NH एंड NH2. दिस इज द बेसिक ग्रुप. एंड लाइसिन में क्या है हमारे पास साइड चेन, इट इज CH2 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 and then CH2 and NH2. In hydroxylysine it is CH2 CH2 CHOH. These are the side chains. You just can see, you must be familiar with the names of the amino acids. तो क्योंकि 12th क्लास में जेनेटिक्स आगे सब में ये यूज़ होंगे, you have to remember only one basic structure, that is glycine. And another is the last category, 6th category of amino acids with side chains having aromatic rings, phenylalanine. ये तो था common. This is the side chain CH2 and 1 benzyl ring. Tyrosine, this is the basic CH2 CH NH2 COH and this is CH2. This tryptophan TRPW, this is the side chain. And the last category is with side chains with amino groups. जो साइड चेन में है हमारे पास, दैट हैज़ प्रोलीन PRL and hydroxyproline, that is HYP. These are the 20 amino acids, and these 20 amino acids, they are divided into 3 categories depending upon their requirement and preparation in the body: essential amino acids, non-essential and semi-essential. Essential amino acids, they are needed by the body essentially, but they are not prepared in the body. They have to be taken from other food resources, and their deficiency can lead to various nervous disorders. For example, these are 7: lysine, valine, phenylalanine, methionine, tryptophan, isoleucine and leucine. Essential, non-essential amino acids, they are present in the body in abundance, and we don't have to take them from the other food resources. 7 ये arginine histidine को छोड़ के 9 के अलावा जो बाकी 11 amino acids हैं, they belong to this category, non-essential. Then we have semi-essential amino acids. They are present in body but not in as much amount as they are needed, so they have to be taken from other food resources also, like arginine and histidine. So this is all about amino acids.